hi guys. Today I'm cooking for my dad food.
Good job. Thank you, Lujii. Okay, now take your chair and cook for me. I'm waiting here. Also, I'm gonna take my chair. I'm gonna take my chair, guys, here. Okay, let's. Okay. It's okay.
Before I done my Hello Kitty line.
Okay, I'm here. Okay, so guys. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. I'm waiting to cook Lujii today, guys. Wow. Now I'm gonna eat what the Lujii cook for me. Okay, you take out the spoons. Wow, green spoons. Wow. Okay.
My cookie.
I'm gonna help you. It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Wow, I like your house. I like your kitchen.
Where's my food? Where's Bob? Where's their dad food?
Yeah, the fridge. Inside the fridge, right? Wow. Wow, egg. I like egg, guys. I like the egg, you know. And sausage. She cook it. Wow, she cracking. Wow. Beautiful.
Wait, there's Minnie Mouse car here.
Okay, let me put here. Okay. Yes, he's waiting also to eat together, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You cooking now. Okay. For the egg, use this one. This one. Use this one for the cake. For the egg. Okay. Okay. You have to cook here? Oh, put here to cook. Yes. Wow. Guys, she's cooking. She know how to cook. Wow. Yes, she can cook. And today we eat what the Lujii cook. Wow. Look at that. I'm smelling, guys. Good egg. Wow. 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 I can't wait, guys. Wow. So hot, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait. You have to wait when right away cooked. Okay. Now it's time for tea, right? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, look guys, I have egg and sausage. Can I get the one bread, please?
One bread?
Yes.
Okay.
The bread is here, I think. The white one here.
The white one?
Yes, I think that. Yes. Also the bread. Okay, please can you put the microwave to be a little bit warm? Can you warm up, please?
The microwave?
Yes. No, your microwave is here. Okay, you take something there? Okay. She know everything. She take a spatula. Wow, she put the cheese. Whoa, I like that. I like the cheese, guys. Whoa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let's eat bread and sausage, guys. Okay. I'm so smelling good. Wow, so delicious. Let's try. I like it. Let's drink the tea.
You like it?
Wow, I like it so much, guys. Let's eat more.
Now cook food for me. time.
Okay. Whoa. You bring me another food, you cook me another food. Okay. I'm gonna wait. I'm still hungry, guys.
We eat together, okay?
Okay, now we eat together, right? I have my breakfast. I'm gonna wait till dinner, right? Or the lunch. Yes, this is lunch. It's lunchtime. Dinner is after, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So delicious. I like it, guys. Whoa. Oh, that is sausage and the steak. Yes. The lunch is for steak. So good. I like lunchtime steaks. Oh.
Okay, it's ready.
Okay.
It's ready time.
Okay. This I finished. Can you take it? I finished my breakfast. I like the tea so much, guys. I like how to smell the steak. Wow. I'm smelling so good. Wow. What? She's cooking so well. You know how to cook well, guys. Whoa. Look, now it's ready. Wow. I like it, guys. I like it with the Lujii cook. I like it. It's so delicious and so smelly, so good. Wow, good job. And bring me new water. Wow. Smelling so good, guys. Steak, I like it, steak. Whoa. Beautiful. Okay, yes, bring us two. We eat together. And bring us that sausage. We eat together, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oopsie. Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Good. Okay. Now sit your chair and we eat together at the dinner time. Whoa.
I forgot my tea.
Okay, take your tea also. Oh, good. Look at that, guys. She prepared everything. We're almost ready. It's time to eat.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Yes, now it's cold and good. Show your friends what you eat. Sausage she eat and I'm eating this steak. It's so delicious, right? I
Yeah.
like it. Hey, let's drink it. Wow.
I have to do color.
Okay. Yes, look guys. Whoa. Wow. She have a tablet also. Okay. Wow.
This is a mirror.
There's a mirror. Wow. Whoa. I like it, guys. Today I'm invited for the Lujii house. I enjoy it. I have funny. Look, we have also the tablet. I like the food too. Wow. Okay, Lujii, bring. Now it's time for the fruit. Can you bring fruit, please?
Fruit.
Yes. Take your lunch. The fruit is inside there. Yes. And your plate is here. Wow, I like these plates. Whoa. Okay. And also another leaf plates, right? Whoa, look at guys, so beautiful. I like it.
Okay, to color.
Okay. Let's put here. Okay. We have it. Music also. We have fun today.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. She's painting. Yeah, she can paint also. Whoa. She painting a mirror, right? Wow. This is fruit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the fruits you can bring right away, right? It doesn't need to cook, right?
Yeah.
We are not cooking the fruits, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, you are painting good. She's painting also, guys. Whoa. Okay. Wow, she is painting, guys. She's cooking and painting. Wow, she had a good job, guys. Whoa. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Okay, you painting after bring my fruits. But that blades, you know the pink blades? Yes. I need the apple, please.
Apple?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow. I like that. Okay. Where's my apple? Coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Give me now.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Thank you. Whoa, guys, look. Apple. Take apple. I like it, the apple. So healthy. And more vitamin and color and more vitamins, right? Okay. Okay, can we show what you painting for your friends? Okay. Guys, look. Wow.
I'm painting the mirror.
Yeah, she painted the mirror, right? Look, guys. Wow. So beautiful. Today we have a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we say your friends have now. Bye. We did everything, guys, right?
I need to do another video.
Okay.